Morning. So today's the day of the haul out. Just going to finish getting the boat ready now, and then we're going to be heading round to the hoist dock about 11 o'clock. So I've got time for a coffee first. Feeling a little bit nervous. I don't really know why, because all I've got to do is drive the boat from here to the hoist dock, and then the yard do everything else. And then we're removing the rudder in the slings. So I've got James from Tyler Marine who's coming to help me do that. See you in a bit. So the first thing we'll have to do to remove the rudder is actually take this off here, and then there's an access hatch inside which I just need to get ready. Which is at the end of the aft cabin. In here, all tight spaces. Just gonna get this unscrewed. Okay, so I've got the cover off, and this is what's behind. It's gonna be a bit difficult to see, but this here is the rudder shaft. Just put that camera down. This is the rudder shaft here, which runs through a hole in the hull, and we have a bushing at the top, and there's also one at the bottom. Bushing is just another word for bearing, but they need replacing because there is a little bit of play on the rudder at the moment. So what we need to do is drop the rudder in the slings, and we're going to put new bearings on. Another thing that we're doing is removing the sail drive to change the diaphragm. So the whole sail drive has to come out. I'm not sure whether we're going to get to removing it today, but this is the sail drive in the engine bay. So it's this here. And for us to remove it, we have to unbolt the engine from the engine mounts, and we have to take off the fuel cables, this exhaust pipe, and anything else that's kind of connecting it. And then there's various bolts down here and also here that we have to remove, and then we pull the engine forward, which I'm not quite sure how that's going to go, and then we actually lift up the entire unit through the boat. So that's just in a nutshell. There is a little bit more to it than that, but as we do that process, I'll try and give you a little bit more information. I'll try and film as much as I can, but I think the filming is going to be a little bit raw, but I'll do my best. So I'm fully ready now, just waiting for James and our time at the hoist dock. So all I've got to do is remove our bike from the deck, and guess who's come to say hello? Morning, Marvin. How are you? He'll be wanting some worms. So this is his bag here. He recognises his bag. Look at him wagging his tail. Comes quite often, so we're conscious that we don't want to give him loads of bread and rubbish. So these are actually, they're full of protein, and they're really good for him. Look at that tail go. His wife Daisy's on the nest at the moment that he built her. I think they've got about 5 eggs, which will probably be hatching in the next couple of weeks. So while she's busy on that, Marvin just frolics around the marina. Yes, so I'll see you later.
Right, what do you need rope wise? I'm just gonna leave your ropes.
Would you just tell us when I'm clear of the pontoon?
Yeah.
Right, I'm off.
Nice, just something clear, mate. Beautiful. Yeah, you're welcome here now, mate, if you want to start bringing her ahead.
Would you be alright just pulling them fenders up and just letting them lie on the deck for us?
Oh, yeah. Is it just this side, is it?
Yeah, it's just that side. Cheers, thanks for it.
Right, I need to go and grab some more tools. It's all out of
So while Jamie was busy pressure washing, I went for a little bit of a wander to find out where we were going to be set down. This is Alex just making a few final adjustments to the cradle. So one of the things that I'm quite conscious about is I don't think there's as much water flow coming through as there should be. Now... Is that you?
Oh, sorry, did I mess it up? Did I scare you?
You did, you because this leg hasn't been off for so long, I think there's a lot of marine growth in there. I can see mussels already.
It's been there a long time.
Yeah, I don't know how long it will be since it's been done.
Sometimes never. People just run and run and run and
See you later. See you later, Barry. Hello, so this is James from the future here. I just wanted to say that I tried to get as much filming of that as I could. It was actually a lot more of a simple process than what I thought. After we'd removed the bolts at the top and dropped the rudder down, we used the hoist to lift the boat up further so that the rudder just dropped out at the bottom. Now our rudder is a really simple and uncomplex rudder to remove. So there's no steering wheel for a start, so there's no steering cables that have to be disconnected, etc. And it's a spade rudder, which means it is only connected at the top of the rudder stock where you saw us undoing the bolts. So that's it for this video, but thanks so much for watching, and join us next time where you see us being set down in the cradle. We remove and replace the rudder bearings and find out just how loose our old rudder bearings actually were. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more of our maintenance series, don't forget to subscribe and press the little bell icon that will alert you every time we post a video. We've got quite a lot coming up, and the other week we put out a video detailing exactly what we're going to be doing, and if you missed that video, click the link to watch it above. In a nutshell though, over the next couple of weeks we're going to be removing the sail drive to replace the diaphragm. We're going to be treating the keel, putting new anode on, anti-fouling, hull polishing, as well as a bit of engine work, floorboards, oh, the list just goes on. Anyway, that's it for today, so thanks so much and see you next time.